Recover PST files with Stellar Phoenix Outlook PST repair software. Stellar Phoenix Outlook PST repair software is a type of software which scans all the corrupted PST files. It repairs and restores all mailbox contents. It saves all repaired emails items in new usable PST files which can able to import in MS Outlook. It is one of the best software which is working from last 20 years. Some special features of PST repair software. This software is able to repair all corrupted Outlook PST files. It recovers all deleted Outlook emails. This tool's able to recover emails from encrypted PST. It provides selective recovery in multiple formats. Advantages of Stellar Phoenix Outlook PST repair tool. This software able to recover large PST files. It provides a new look and feels of GUI. This tool allows users to preview restored items before saving them. It gives the facility to easily load and save the result of PST files. It provides Find option through which you can easily detect the location of PST files in the system. This application provides the facility to save recovered PST files on a network location or external media. It provides facility to arrange all scanned emails in a tree view format. You can install the free versions of this application to know the working process of this software. But, in the free versions of this application, there is some limitation. So, you can buy the paid versions of Stellar Phoenix Outlook PST repair software to get more advanced features. For more information, visit www.freesoftpx.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this videos.